how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do that. So first of all, open your favorite browser, if it's Chrome or whatever browser you'd like to use. Then open Google Maps. Then you move on to Google Maps and you go to the search and you type the United States, which is the country we are going to apply this method in. So here let's go to the United States and let's wait for it to load. So here let's zoom in on the country. Let's zoom in on the country like that here, and make sure to choose a state or a city that we are going to target in. We're going to target in searching for the small businesses. So for example, I'm going to choose Chicago here. Let's go to Chicago here, and let's go to the search again and type the kind of small business you want to look for. For example, let's go with plumbers, for example, here. And here you will see that we have a lot of plumber small business owners that you can see. So here you can see all of their profiles: Rescue Plumbing, Trailblazer Plumbing, Chicagoland Quality Plumbing. So you can see all sorts of plumbers inside or close to this area. So here I'm going to show you how you can find the best profiles to target. So for example, here we have Rescue Plumbing. They have more than 150 reviews, so that's something, a profile that we should avoid because they have more than 150 reviews. And also, if you see that it's a sponsored is written in the top of the profile, that means they have someone taking care of making them rank in the top of the result in Google Maps, which means our services won't be needed anymore. So just make sure to avoid those profiles and keep looking for the profiles with less than 150 reviews and without any sponsored written in their profile, like this one, for example, Rescue Plumbing. Even though it's the same one in here, this one is in Webster Ave. Let's see this other one. This one is in Winchester Ave, so it's not the same, and I think it's the second branch of the same plumbing or the same business. So here let's check this Rescue Plumbing profile. Let's wait for it to load. So the first thing I want you to look for is if they have a website. If they have one, make sure to check it to see if it's a new website or an old website that needs a renovation. So here we have Ukrainian village plumbers, same day emergency plumbing services. So here they can Rescue Plumbing 5-year anniversary. Their website is not very up to date and it's not very old as well. So here you can see all of their social media. So here they won't need any website renovation. So let's move on to see if they would need, or we can offer them the second service, which is removing bad reviews for them. So let's see if they have any bad reviews. Let's scroll down and go to view more reviews, but just from seeing how the stars that they have, here click on more reviews and you'll be able to tell if they have any bad reviews or not. So here, as you can see, I would guess that they have only one bad review, but that should be enough in order to open a conversation with the owners to see if they would love or if they would like to remove the only one bad review. So just scroll down until you find that 1-star bad review. So here we only have the 5-star reviews. Let's scroll down until we find the bad review that they would like to remove. Here we have a 3-star review. Dix did a awesome job, but company very expensive. More than $1,000 for this job. Should have got estimates from others beforehand. My loss. I don't know what this one is talking about, but it seems like he's talking about the expensive paycheck that they've got, that they paid the service. That's not a too much bad review. We need something with 1-star or something that says your service sucks. So here we have a 1 bad review. I'm sure they can install a new water heater at sky high prices, but don't call them for emergency hot water repair, as they will just come out till you need a brand new unit and refuse to repair it, and of course charge for the visit. All the large companies do this roto for seasons, etc., but I was willing to try rescue and they were no different. So this is a bad review that the owners would like to remove from their Google Maps profile. So you can just take a screenshot and include that screenshot in your email, or you can just call them directly in their number and ask if they would love to remove or if they would love to purchase your service, which is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. And as I said before, guys, you won't need any skill to do that. You'll just need to land the business or land the client and get him to pay you $100 or $200. Then you'll go to Fiverr.com, which is this platform here, Fiverr.com. It's where you can find freelancers that can do the service or can deliver the service instead of you doing it. So here, just go to the search and type Google Maps business profile optimization, and you'll find freelancers like this one who will do or deliver the service for $25. So for example, let's say Rescue Plumbing paid you $100 to remove this bad review, and you pay this one $25 to do the service, and you will be left with $75 in your pocket without learning any skill or without delivering the skill. Also, you'll just need to reach out to the business and convince them to purchase your service, and then you repeat the method again and again with the other business owners, and then you will be left with a lot of money. So I think, guys, you get the idea and you understand the method. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.